Hey, what up, people? I hope y'all are good. Today we're going to be looking at the Galaxy Buds Pro and going over 5 tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your experience using these amazing wireless earbuds. Now, before we get into the video, if you enjoy these tips and tricks, make sure to click that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be alerted every time a new tips and tricks video goes live, as well as like this video and leave a comment down below because it's going to help out with engagement, SEO, and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive into the video, beginning with tip number 1. The first thing I got for you is whenever you pick up your Galaxy Buds Pro, you're gonna notice that you have these silicone ear tips. And honestly, they are pure trash. And the first thing I recommend that you do is take them off and throw them out. Then get yourself some foam comply tips like these. And these are going to dramatically improve the fit, the noise cancellation, the overall sound experience, just everything as a whole. Like once you replace these tips, I guarantee you your entire experience with the Buds Pro will change. And I mean change for the better. You do have to kind of work them on a little bit. Well, at least these ones, because these are not specifically designed for the Buds Pro. I'll link them down below because once you get them on, they do fit. As you can see, they fit fine. And the best thing about these comply phone tips are they fit perfectly inside the case still, and the case shuts just fine. The next few tips and tricks that I have for you all involve you having a Galaxy smartphone. So if you do not have a Samsung Galaxy phone, these are not applicable to you. Let's go ahead and dive into number 2, which is how to EQ the Galaxy Buds Pro. First and foremost, make sure your Galaxy wearable app is completely up to date. Then make sure your Galaxy Buds Pro are updated to the latest firmware. If you scroll through and go under equalizer, you're gonna notice there's no custom EQ setting. However, if we go into the settings, do a quick search for EQ, you'll see equalizer pop up right here. Tap on that. You can turn on Dolby Atmos to get an even more immersive sounding experience. And if you tap on Dolby Atmos, you can change it from voice, music, movie, or just leave it on auto. I found if you manually go in and select movie, music, or voice, you're gonna get a better experience than letting the phone decide for you. So I have mine on music right now since I was last listening to music. But right here, if you go under equalizer, you have a custom option right here that you can dial in your own custom EQ, and this will transfer over to your Buds Pro. So what I recommend doing if you're going to use a custom EQ is to go back into the wearables app and then select normal for your EQ setting. The reason why I do this is so that way the EQ settings inside of the wearables app won't interfere with the custom EQ settings that I have set. So this is a quick way to, dial in your own custom preset for your EQ settings with the Galaxy Buds Pro. A lot of people don't realize that you can do this and you can actually do it. It's just not located inside the wearables app. So tip number 3 is all about that 360-degree audio. In order to turn on 360-degree audio, you're gonna scroll down, go under Advanced, and then make sure 360 audio is turned on. There's not a whole lot of exclusive content that supports 360-degree audio, but there are apps that tend to optimize audio for 360-degree audio, if that makes any sense. Like you could use 360-degree audio on YouTube, even though the actual video may not have been uploaded to support 360-degree audio, it'll still give you a similar effect to where if you're watching a video and you have the headphones in, you're holding your phone out in front of you, if you turn your head to the left, you're gonna hear audio more on the left-hand side. And if you turn your head to the right, you're gonna hear audio more on the right-hand side. So it's tracking your head in like a 3D space. Netflix also does this. One thing to keep in mind is, as far as I know of, the Galaxy S21 series is the only Galaxy device that supports 360-degree audio with the Galaxy Buds Pro at this current moment in time. But nonetheless, that's how you can turn it on, and that's how you can get a really cool experience whenever you're watching content on YouTube or even Netflix. Number 4 is all about voice detection as well as ambient sound. So if you look right here inside the wearables app, you have voice detect. If you toggle that on, what's gonna happen is as soon as the microphones pick up your voice on the Galaxy Buds Pro, it's automatically going to turn down the music and then turn on ambient sound mode. That way you can communicate with whoever it is that you're talking to. But the problem with this is if you tend to sing along with songs, your music is going to be cutting in and out. So just keep that in mind. One thing that I found is to leave voice detect off, turn on ambient sound, and then if you go under advanced and then go to hearing enhancements and then make sure maximize ambient sound volume is turned on, you may not even need to use voice detect, because when you combine the Comply foam ear tips with the ambient sound mode and then the maximize ambient sounds, you're getting a great experience. You're still able to hear everything around you, but at the same time, the Comply foam tips give you an incredible sounding music experience. So I think the ambient sound mode, the Comply foam tips, and then maximize ambient sounds is the way to go. But then again, you may not want to hear anything around you. And in that case, go ahead and toggle on noise canceling, adjust the level of noise canceling that you want from low to high, and then toggle on voice detect. That way the phone will automatically put it in ambient sound when it needs to. You know, one thing I really like about the Galaxy Buds Pro and the Galaxy Wearables app is the touch and hold customization. So if you look inside the app here, you have touch and hold right here. If you tap on that, you can adjust what happens whenever you touch and hold on each earbud. Now, you can have it trigger Bixby if you want on one earbud, and then on the other, it's going to turn on and off your noise canceling. But what I like to do is do the volume down and volume up. So now if I touch and hold on the left earbud, the volume is gonna go down. If I touch and hold on the right earbud, the volume is gonna go up. I think that's absolutely genius, and it saves a lot of time trying to adjust the volume with your phone. So this is the way that I choose to go, but you can rearrange it however you want. You could have the left bud do Spotify while the right one does noise canceling, or you can change the right one to do Bixby while the left one does Spotify. So you can go in here and set it up the way you want. The only thing that you cannot switch around is the volume up and down. So the left earbud has to be volume down and the right has to be volume up, and it has to be as a pair. You can't divide them up, which is totally fine in my book. So that was 5 tips and tricks to get the most out of the Galaxy Buds Pro. I honestly love these wireless earbuds. They're quickly becoming my favorite earbuds overall, even more so than my AirPods Pro. It's just the AirPods Pro pair seamlessly with my iPhone and then transition seamlessly to my Mac whenever I'm editing videos and stuff. So that's the only reason why I reach for those. But as a whole, I prefer these better. I like the sound better on these. I like the functionality better on these. And I like the customization options that Samsung gives you. These are incredible wireless earbuds. If you want to see a full review, let me know down in the comment section. If you have anything to add to this video, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next video.